Hi, this is an overview of the new Credit Money Machine, the only credit repair software that can process your client in 15 seconds and in a professional way at the same time. Here we have a dynamic chart to know how many clients, etc., task manager, instant messenger to communicate with other agents, and in the advanced mode, we have send and receive SMS system, email system to send and receive, invoice system, marketing campaigns, template manager, auto emails, virtual funnels, workflows, and some other things. The system is extremely simple. You just click add new contact. So I'm gonna put here Mary Smith, social, date of birth, address. That will be the first step. Second step would be to extract were compatible with many credit report providers. Gonna put the social, I'm gonna put a fake username in this case, fake password, and I'm gonna also put that is a decline. This is not a must, but I'm gonna do it. And then that's it pretty much. I'm gonna click here. So now you count seconds that it takes to do the whole work. So after clicking that button, you're doing the full work that will take between 1 and 2 hours with other systems, because normally freeze letters, personal information letters, and collection validation letters are extremely difficult to do. And here they are created automatically. So here, even the portal was posted, and we can see here the freeze letters were created, 11 in particular, for all the different credit report providers. Okay, and personal information letters as well, and most importantly, the collection validation letters were created, marked, so the envelopes go to the creditor and not to the credit bureau. And many of the things are done automatically. For example, the collection that goes to the creditor, not to the credit bureau, are scheduled into the future, so you don't make a mistake. Okay, so you don't send them beforehand. So we are ready to print. We only need to have our documents. Documents can be entered here, or they can be entered by the client in the portal or in your website. Okay, so I'm going to import. It can be an image, it can be a PDF. We suggest better an image than a PDF, but still a PDF can be used, and you can request automatically more documents to your client every 2 days by email automatically, just by marking them here. And here is to collate. Which ones do you want to collate with the letters, right? And now we're ready to print. So essentially, print disputes, and we have a win strategy. That is a procedure what to do and why, and the order, which is essentially what I'm doing now. And we're gonna click print disputes and pre-marked disputes in this case. That's what we want. That's what the win strategy tell us to do. Okay, and that's pretty much that. So show printed letters, and now I'm going to, well, it opens in another computer here. That's fine. I'm going to open it right now. These are the personal information letters, sign and social, date of birth. Collated the documents, so it cannot be easier than that. Everything's done for you. Absolutely everything. Then we're going to have the secondary bureaus like Innovis and others, also social, date of birth, sign, and also documents. So we have 11 of those, and you can add more if you want, and they will come automatically. So you can add or you can delete. So it's up to you. I mean, how many do you want to extract automatically? And now we have secondary, the collection validation letters that should be sent certified mail. And these ones are not signed, no social, no date of birth, and no documents automatically. So you don't make mistakes, which is important. It's important that these kind of things are automated. And so that's it. So you see that now they are sent. Now the other ones are sent to creditor, and you can print also the envelopes. It can be easier than this. Just click envelopes. Envelopes are marked letters, and it will take a couple of seconds here. And here we have them. I'm gonna open it for you, and there you are. We have inserts that fit a number 10 double window envelope that you can fold or cut, and it's very convenient because it looks like an attorney sending the letter because of the double window and legal department, etc. So that is also important, and that's it. So the last thing to do, I mean, if you choose to do it, is to post the portal where you can have unlimited contracts, different plans, etc. You control what you want to receive from your client. Like I can say, I don't want to request this from the client, but I'm gonna leave the rest so you can see. Even this one, I'm gonna leave it there so you can see. You can convey things to your client here. Like for example, you can convey the last or the whole log of extractions that could be. And now I'm gonna post the portal, and I'm gonna view the portal. Once it's posted, now it's posted. View the portal is multilingual, so it doesn't matter if your client speaks Spanish or Zulu. You're okay. This is gonna be white label to you. And so here we have a summary. This is what we want to say to our client. Could be images, could be a video, a welcome video maybe. Here, the agreement can be signed in the in the client portal, as well as the right to cancel and submit it with one click. And we don't keep any sensitive information in the portals to safeguard the identity, potential theft of identities of your clients. The client can also send you documents from here, right? So I can click here, your client can click and send you a utility bill. Can also, you can have up to three, monetizing links, okay? Your client can send you the logins from here. Also, in the status, your client can see the type. Very important to have a type, so your client knows what is it. If it is a late payment, a collection, it's not the same to have a collection on the Smile Center than a late payment, right? Or an inquiry, for example. So all of these are done. Your client even can tell you, I don't want to dispute this for whatever reason, right? Can tell you that. Also here, your client should put the ones that are frozen, should select throughout the 30 days, and the ones that are not frozen, for example, also. And below we have all the letters sent to the collectors, to the collection agencies, right? All that with essentially one click. That's the origin of all that. And now I'm going to submit everything to the system, and still I'm going to show you the other tabs a attachment tabs so the client can send you other documents, um, questions for you, a small knowledge database, and a referral form so your client can refer you friends and family. So that's pretty much that. We have a disputes winner strategy, the procedure. We did up to here, essentially, very easily. Then you wait and just click show all and click print display disputes. And then every 30, 40 days, you just extract in the extract report, extract, and automatically the program changes the status to delete it, add the new ones. It does everything automated, and you only need to pretty much show all and print disputes, in this case, not the marked ones, but the displayed ones. And that would be that. And this is the basic mode. We have also advanced mode that has more features and more power in many ways. But essentially, that would be the basic mode. Another thing that, as you can see, this thing were updated from the portal, these secondary bureaus. So you know, and this one was put on hold because your client actually put it on hold, right? And so by saying do not dispute, so everything is automated. Even the inquiries, for example, that are older, they are red because they are older than 2 years, you see. And so it says here they're more than 2 years, please remove. And this one is different because it's not more than 2 years. So even the reasons, and when it's green, in this case, it's not green, right? But when it's green, means that it's linked to a positive account, and that means that it should be ignored, and it will put ignore automatically. So everything is as automated as possible, but still everything is under your control. You can put notes for a particular dispute, etc., etc. So you can do many things, whether it is in basic mode, advanced mode. Basic mode, very clear, very nice to watch, not overwhelming to the eye. Another thing that you have is the credit report view. Credit report view is an excellent way to access the credit report without having to log in. So it's pretty much instantaneous. You click on it, boom, you have the credit report with a very nice format. All the reports will have this format, whether you're using one or the other. All the ones will have this format because it's very nice format. And then here you can copy that URL, send it to your client if you want, in an email probably, and or even put it in the portal. We suggest it better to send it in an email than put it that in the portal, but still it's possible to put it in the portal. It will be really easy. Just copy here and paste in the area that I showed before. So that's it pretty much. You can manipulate the data. You can have everything here in the contact list. You have again two levels as well. The 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 basic level, basic mode, and the advanced mode. In basic mode, we have again, very clean, very easy to navigate. And then in the advanced mode, we have business lead finder to find leads. So with this one, you will find unlimited leads for your business, integrated with Zapier, bulk changes, etc. You can send SMS messages. You can send marketing emails. You can program from here. Marketing campaigns, etc., or simply use basic mode and maintain a very clean window here, layout. Okay, so that's pretty much that. Thank you.